Hello, my name is Leon Gary. I'm president of Action Industries, a Florida family-owned corporation. We've been in business for over 30 years. We specialize in making wet taps, line stops, and valve insertions. Today we're here to talk about a valve insertion. We're going to make a demonstration of a valve insertion that's already been made by our equipment on this 4-inch PVC line on my truck here. The particular one that we like is made by Hydra-Stop. It's called the Insta-Valve Plus. Has some very unique features that we like a lot. The main thing I like to brag on is the fact that this sealing portion of this sleeve is all stainless steel, full circle, wrap around, 100% rubber lined sleeve that nothing touches this pipe but rubber. And when you put it on there tight and you use your torque wrench according to factory specifications, it will not leak. You can install this on rough barrel AC main, asbestos cement. You can install it on the old type cast iron that has the raised lettering, and if the pipe is a little oval shaped, it won't make any difference. Some of the competitive brands use a mechanical joint type seal, and when they do that, they just have a split O-ring gasket around each end of this sleeve which touches the main. Nothing else touches the main, so everything in there is open, so if you put too much pressure down on it, it's very easy to break the main. Now, for purposes of demonstration, we have installed a web camera at the end of this main, pointing right in through the valve, which is now open, and you should be able to look in and see the center of this mechanical joint cap that we put on here, so that we can force the water in here, and we're going to turn the pump on at a preset pressure. We're going to run the water through here, and you're going to watch me turn the valve off, and you'll see the seat come down, and you'll see the water turn off. We have a preset pressure here. Our system has a bypass valve on. I'm going to turn the pump on now, and you'll be able to see the gauges as they come up. And all I got to do now is open this valve right here to let the water go through, which I'm going to do now. Now you can see the water flowing. I'm going to turn this off with one hand just to show you how easy it is. This is an 18-inch pipe wrench. Another unique feature about this sleeve is it has a very sturdy stem in it. You can't hurt it. You can turn it off as tight as you want to. It takes the same number of turns as the standard valve to turn off. It offers practically no resistance at all until you get down to the bottom of where the rubber seats on the main. And of course, at that point, like any other valve, excuse me, it takes a little bit more pressure to turn it off. Now that should be about enough twist to turn that off completely. We'll watch the gauge over here and watch the pressure build up. If you have a little bit of a leak, you just tighten it a little bit more like any other valve. We have somewhere in the neighborhood of 60 pounds on this system now. And as you can see, it's not, I believe you can see it's not leaking a drop. This is a very good sleeve, and we've used quite a few of these around Central Florida, and we like them. Every one that we have ever tested, that we installed, if we had a chance to test it, has turned off 100%. Now I'm going to turn the pump off at this point. Let the pressure go back to zero and slowly open this valve. I'm opening it slowly because I don't want to flood my web camera in the end of the main. By the way, this valve has been used more than 40 times in demonstrations. We have had pressure as much as 150 pounds on it. And it's still working 100%. Now, just to show you how easy, I'm going to turn this valve in the middle portion here with one finger. You can see how easy it is to turn. We recommend these valves for any type of pipe. We've used them on just about every type of pipe Also, we've had several on asbestos cement. Each one of them is tested 100%. That should be about open. That concludes our demonstration, and we thank you very much for your interest.